Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. This video is going to be how I pretty much make my earrings on my silhouette cameo. Because one of my Patreons brought up a good point, which is there is not really that many videos on a silhouette cameo on YouTube, which I guess explains why I myself have a love-hate relationship with it. It's pretty much hard to figure out. You know, it's like you just, I don't know, like you just gotta learn on your own. Okay, so I pretty much want to make like a Wonder Woman pair of earrings. And I'm going to be using some how do you, faux leather, fox leather, whatever that stuff called, okay? I ordered it off of Amazon. It just came to me today. And I'm going to be attempting to make some earrings with it. And some bows. I'm going to use it for bows as well. So right now I'm going to go ahead and just hold control and combine these two images. Group. Okay, now they're grouped. Now I'm going to save this as a picture. Earring pick. Okay, now let's go over to silhouette and let's open that picture up. I'm going to go to open. It's right here at the bottom. Okay, so this is the picture that I have. And I'm going to duplicate this because, of course, they're earrings, so I want two of them. Ooh, is that big? That's probably not too big for me. I like big earrings. Alright. And now I'm going to go over here to open up the trace panel. Click on select trace area. I'm pretty much just going to highlight everything that I want to be cut. And solid fill, and then you can go to trace. You can also go to just the outer edge. I think the outer edge will just cut the it'll just cut the outline. But we want to cut I also want to cut the Wonder Woman logo out. So let's do it again, and let's go to trace. Now it should have cut, yes, it should have cut everything. So let's go ahead, get rid of this. Let's get rid of this from the last time. Alright. Let's put these up here at the top. I'm going to go ahead and set up my silhouette cameo. Yo, I did not even have it set up. But then I'm going to hit send, which is going to open up everything here. Okay. Y'all, I have been messing around with this like crazy. I changed the settings on this just because, like I said, I mess with these things so much, and depending on the different textures, you know, I'm just going to leave it at what it is right now. So I'm about to go ahead and connect these devices and go ahead and cut these earrings out and pray that it comes out the way I'm hoping. Alright, you guys, so here is my silhouette all loaded up with the piece of, you know, leather already in there. This is what it looks like, the leather that I purchased, and I laid it I guess with the fabric side facing up and the actual leather texture facing down. So I am going to go ahead and send the design over to the cameo now. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is done being cut. You guys, I really hope this cut. Like, if this cut this leather, I'm going to be so excited. Oh, I don't know. I don't know how to feel. No, it did not. It did not cut. My feelings are hurt. Alright, you guys, a little update about that freaking leather with the fabric on the back. It did not cut it. Like, it just did not go all the way through. No matter what I changed the force, set the blade on. I may need to purchase the deep cut blade, because you know the one that originally comes with the Silhouette is only from 1 through 10, but they do have a deeper blade that cuts thicker materials. So I may have to purchase that. But I just switched it up, and I ended up just hand cut. It did leave like an imprint on the leather, to where I was able to just eyeball it and cut it out. So that is what I ended up doing with those. I just, you know, cut the inside out and put some glitter cardstock behind it. And then I just was like, okay, well, I know it cuts through the cardstock. So I got the fabric, like, what is these, like fabric paper, glitter fabric? I don't know what they're called, but I ended up cutting these through the Silhouette. And I think these came out cute. They are super, super cute. And I just, you know, put foam on the back, just cut foam down to fit the shape. But I love these. Love these, love these, love these. These are pretty much going to be my new favorite pair of earrings. I haven't put them on to see how big they are. Okay, not too big. No, not too big at all. Okay. So yeah, you can also do earrings with that thing. If you have cutting machines, you know, y'all, it's all types of things you can do with a cutting machine. But I have wanted one just for bows. Like, just for bows. That's it. I don't know why I'm like on this bow spree all of a sudden. I don't know. But anywho, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys very soon. Bye.